thought it would be like, since it is online, I didn't expect this much. I will learn this much knowledge from this internship, but it was very useful in all the way. And like even the starting classes, the theory classes, what like the presentation also, it was from the basics. So it was the kinematic part, everything was very useful. And then online platform, like it was really up to mark. Like what we paid has it was very useful for that pay. Actually, since we were 3, we split out the work. Like each one of us has to do each part of the work. After that, like after a week, we gathered the information and what all the information we knew. After that, we sat and discussed in the evening time. Since we had like a college from morning to evening, after like 5:30, we sat for this and we spent some time together in online, and then we made it, the presentation, everything.